वो 7 बड़ी गलतियाँ जो हमें फ्लुएंट होने से रोकती हैं। इंग्लिश बोलते समय आज के ज़माने में, आज के एरा में फ्लुएंसी एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज हमारे लिए बनती जा रही है और फ्लुएंट communication is very much needed these days. If you want to improve your communication skills, then you will have to pay attention on your fluency as well. So फ्लुएंसी को रोकने वाली कोई 7 गलतियाँ जो हम करते हैं उनको हमें नहीं करना है. So what are these 7 mistakes? Let's see. First of all, we can consider that translation is our big mistake. कि जब हम बोलते हैं तो अपने दिमाग में हिंदी से या अपनी नेटिव लैंग्वेज से ट्रांसलेट कर रहे होते हैं इंग्लिश में. सो यू डोंट हैव टू डू दिस इफ़ यू वांट फ्लुएंट इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. बट how it will be improved? It will be improved by practicing. If you practice daily or if you practice a lot, then you will improve this. And the second one is grammar. While speaking, we very much consider about the grammar. Grammar is not a big issue. आपको इसके बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि ग्रामर की गलती हो जाएगी. ग्रामर जो आपने स्कूल में सीख ली है बहुत है. ग्रामर का डर जो है उसको ख़त्म कर दीजिए और आपकी हैबिट ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि आप डायरेक्ट मेथड की तरफ जाएं. डायरेक्ट मेथड की तरफ जाएं और आपने जो स्कूल में ग्रामर सीख रखी है वो बहुत है. इफ़ यू वांट टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज और इफ़ यू वांट टू कम्युनिकेट इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज in a normal way, then or if you are a beginner, then you do not have to worry about these things, right? ये प्रकार की जो गलतियां हैं ना वो आपकी फ्लुएंसी को रोकती हैं. That's why we consider that thinking about grammar is a mistake. You need to improve that, and the way to improve that is don't consider or don't think so much about the grammar. जो आपने स्कूल में सीख ली है that is enough. You can prove that grammar, right? And the third one is lack of vocabulary. You need to improve your vocabulary. Vocabulary is the part of the language. The role of the vocabulary in English learning is absolutely foundational and essential. It acts as the building block of the communication, right? So that's why you need to improve your vocabulary. A vocabulary, you can say, is the foundation of a language. Vocabulary एक लैंग्वेज का एक फाउंडेशन है और you have to improve the vocabulary, and you will improve your vocabulary by practicing. You can speak and record your videos. You can observe, you can check your mistakes, and you will improve a lot. You can say that vocabulary is just as a brick. If you if you want to build your house, then you need some bricks. So words build language, and without enough vocabulary, even if you know grammar, even then you won't be able to express yourself exactly or clearly towards others. So that's why vocabulary is very much needed, and you need to improve that. For example, I must say that you might know how to form sentences, but without words, how will you form the sentence? You know how to form the sentence, what are the grammar rules, but if you do not have the vocabulary, then how will you build the sentences or how will you form the sentences? So you need to improve the vocabulary, right? Vocabulary improves your communication skills as well. A strong vocabulary helps you to speak, helps you to write, and fluency will come in your communication. It allows you to express your thoughts more precisely, avoid repetition. If you are a good listener, then you can improve your vocabulary, and if you have enough vocabulary, then repetitions will not be there. Like अगर आप किसी को कोई खुशी की बात करना चाहते हैं तो बार बार आप हैप्पी जॉयफुल नहीं, डिलाइटेड, हैप्पी, जॉयफुल, और खुशी भी कई प्रकार की होती है। तो उसी प्रकार से आपको अलग अलग जो है वर्ड्स चाहिए होंगे। और ये जो होती है, दिस विल मेक यू मोर साउंड मोर कॉन्फिडेंट एंड नेचुरल, राइट? सो vocabulary is very much important, and vocabulary enhances because of your reading and listening. If you read words, then you will get the words, and if you listen, if you are a good listener, then even you will get more and more new words from your listening and reading. When you know more words, you understand text, right? You will able to understand more communications, more conversations, more movies and lectures, and you will understand these very easily. A rich vocabulary helps learners grasp context, tone, and deeper meaning rather than just surface level ideas, right? So if you are listening someone, or you are sitting in a meeting or in a family meeting, and if you have a vocabulary, then you can get the words, get the ideas, and get the views others are expressing before you. And you can express your views and ideas very efficiently if you have the rich vocabulary. If you have the rich vocabulary, it boosts your writing skills as well. Writers with a good vocabulary can use variety of appreciation, appreciate words with different situations, make writing more engaging. अपनी राइटिंग को ना वो ज़्यादा इंगेज कर सकते हैं, दे कैन मेक देयर राइटिंग मोर एंगेजिंग। क्योंकि अगर आपकी राइटिंग्स या स्पीकिंग एंगेजिंग नहीं होगी, देन नो बडी विल लिसन टू यू, और नो बडी विल read your articles and other written documents. Vocabulary can make you more creative and more professional. For example, she was very tired, she was utterly exhausted. इन दोनों सेंटेंसेस में अंतर है, लेकिन एक कुछ ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनल लग रहा है, एक कुछ ऑर्डिनरी लग रहा है. सो दैट्स वाई यू नीड टू improve your vocabulary. Vocabulary will hone your spoken skills, and vocabulary strengthen grammar understanding as well. ग्रामर के कई रूल्स होते हैं जो हम वोकेबलरी को इम्प्रूव करते करते भी पूर्ण कर सकते हैं, या उसको हम फुली ग्रैब कर सकते हैं, राइट? वोकेबलरी एंड ग्रामर गो हैंड इन हैंड. Knowing words from meanings helps apply grammar rules correctly. अगर आपको उसका मीनिंग अच्छे से आता है और आपके पास वोकेबलरी है, इवन देन इट विल मेक यू मोर कॉन्फिडेंट, और ग्रामर को और ग्रामर के रूल्स को आप अच्छी तरह से इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हो. नोइंग द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द एडवाइस, ADVISE, इसको हम वर्ब बोलते हैं, राइट? एंड एक एडवाइस होता है ADVICE, इसको हम नाउन बोलते हैं. सो एडवाइस और एडवाइस, इन दोनों में जो आप ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स कर सकते हैं, और अगर आपके पास रिच वोकेबलरी है तो आप इस प्रकार की मिस्टेक्स जो हैं उनको आप अवॉइड कर सकते हो, एंड यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ एडवाइस एंड एडवाइस. right? So it will make you rich in spoken language. And vocabulary improves thinking and confidence. जो आपकी vocabulary है वो आपको ज़्यादा confident बनाती है. The more words you know, the better you think in English. You no longer have to translate from your native language to other language, or native language to English language. You can form thoughts directly in English language, which builds fluency and confidence. So vocabulary supports you very well. And if you are a listener, then vocabulary will help you to understand the things. If you are a speaker, then vocabulary makes you enable expressing your views and ideas towards other. And if you are a reader, then vocabulary will help you to understand what is written. Or if you are a writer, then vocabulary will help you to write an efficient content, and the people will like your content, right? And moreover, uh, another mistake which we make while speaking or while improving our communication skill is lack of practice. When we don't practice, uh, first thing is that we are not able to get vocabulary. Without practicing we cannot write, without practicing we cannot speak, so even we will not be able to retain the good result. So that's why you need to improve your vocabulary, your communication skills by practicing. Practice makes a man perfect. So that's why another mistake is that we don't practice, and lack of practice is our another mistake. Lack of motivation. अगर हम प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते हैं, इफ़ वी डोंट प्रैक्टिस, देन हाउ वी विल बिल्ड आर कॉन्फिडेंस. So that's why you need to practice so that you will be motivated. And more thing is why you are going to learn and when you are going to learn. क्यों सीखना है हमने, क्यों हम इसको सीखने जा रहे हैं और कब जा रहे हैं, इसकी हमारे जीवन के अंदर हमें ज़रूरत क्या है. What is the need in our life to improve our spoken English skills? This makes you more confident or more motivated. If you know that if I'll learn English language, it will be beneficial for me in many fields, then you will automatically motivated to learn this language, right? How English can help you to achieve your goals in your life. If you understand this, this will also motivate you to practice English. And how English can give a better impression on others. This is also a considerable point. And the next point is how English can develop your confidence. If you speak in English language, then it will improve your confidence. Even then, you will practice a lot so that you can retain this kind of motivation, right? And how English can change your personality, how English can change your life. If you know these basics, then you will automatically get motivated to learn English language. You need to be motivated on regularly basis. It may take much time, but it will give you a lot of the things, a lot of good habits, a lot of good things that will happen in your life, and you will be more confident in your life. Next one is consistency. The lack of the consistency is a barrier in our English learning process. So if we are not consistent, then it will it will be a great hurdle. it will be a huge hurdle in our learning process. So consistency is must. Practice on daily basis and make consistency of this process. This will really helpful to you. And next one is imitating. हम इमिटेटिंग करते ही नहीं हैं. कई बार हम बहुत कुछ सोच लेते हैं कि यार अब करेंगे, कल करेंगे, नहीं करेंगे. इमिटेटिंग मीन्स कॉपिंग और फॉलोइंग समवन और समथिंग, means their action, their speech, their behavior or their style, usually to learn, in order to learn, or usually resemble or reproduce the things. So in same way we need to imitate the native speakers, native English speaker, or the person who is uh, confident, the person who is making you learning. So that's why you need to imitate. Hope this class will help you a lot. See you in next.